Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Alfredo pasta, a full guide to creating this classic dish. We will start by gathering all the necessary fresh ingredients, ensuring the best flavor. Then, I will walk you through cooking your pasta to perfect al dente texture. Next, we will prepare the rich, creamy sauce from scratch, followed by combining everything for a truly satisfying meal. Get ready to enjoy a restaurant-quality dish right at home. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound of fettuccine pasta, cooked according to package directions until perfectly al dente. The sauce requires 1 cup of rich heavy cream and half a cup of unsalted butter. Crucially, use 2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, not pre-shredded, for the best melt and flavor. Finally, season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. To begin the sauce, melt half a cup of unsalted butter in a large skillet over medium-low heat. Once melted, slowly whisk in 1 cup of heavy cream, allowing it to warm gently without boiling. Next, gradually add 2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, stirring constantly to prevent clumping. Continue stirring until the cheese is fully incorporated and the sauce becomes smooth and slightly thickened. Once your sauce is ready, add the hot, cooked pasta directly into the skillet. Toss the pasta gently but thoroughly, ensuring every single strand is beautifully coated with the creamy Alfredo sauce. If the sauce seems too thick, add a splash of the reserved pasta water, 1 or 2 tablespoons at a time, until you reach your desired consistency. Serve immediately, garnished with extra Parmesan cheese and fresh parsley.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.